For decades, the forest has been her only companion. Hidden away under layers of dirt and forgotten memories, this 1967 Mustang has been waiting in silence. Most people would just see a pile of scrap metal here, but we don't. We see potential. We see a legend that just needs to be woken up. This isn't going to be easy. She is pure dead weight, sunk deep into the mud. The engine hasn't turned over in years, and the wheels are fighting us every inch of the way. It's a test of raw mechanical strength. The winch cable is singing under the tension, dragging history out of the grave, one slow pull at a time. Leaving the wilderness behind, the tires finally hit solid ground. We've reached the crossroads. Left leads back to nowhere, but right leads to redemption. The decision is made. The car versus garage challenge officially begins now. This isn't just a garage. This is where the resurrection happens. Some might ask, why blue? Because history matters. Since 1966, every Ford V8 wore this color with pride. It's called Ford Corporate Blue. We aren't just painting an engine. We are honoring a legacy. The moment of truth. The heart returns to the body. Slowly, gently, we guide her home. No scratching the paint, no mistakes. And just like that, the silhouette is whole again. She's ready to run. They say you shouldn't fall in love with iron and steel. It's just a machine, they say. But after all the sweat, the blood, and the sleepless nights, she became a part of us. We brought her back from the dead. We gave her a heart. And now, she doesn't belong to us anymore. She belongs to the road. Go on, old girl. Show the world what you are made of. The garage will be quiet tonight.